In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build your own currency index in Tradingview. By the end, you'll have a quick visual currency index using the Compare tool and a custom currency index added to your chart using Pine script. First, let's use the quick way with Compare. Open Tradingview. From here, open any Forex chart. I'll use EURUSD so the screen matches most setups. Now click Compare. You'll see a search box or a panel to add symbols. Add the related currency pairs for the index you want to view. For a USD index example, add these: EURUSD, GB, PUSD, USD, JPY, USD, CHF, and USD CAD. Type each pair, select it, and you'll see each one appear as a line on the chart. Keep adding until all 5 are listed. Next, set all to percentage scale so you can compare their movement on the same baseline. On the chart, switch the scale to percent scale. You'll see each line rebased to percentage change, making the comparison clear and consistent across pairs. At this point, the quick view is done. You've built a simple currency index view in Tradingview using Compare, showing how those pairs move relative to each other over time. Now let's create a custom currency index using Pine script. Open a chart so you have a workspace ready. Click Pine Editor at the bottom to open the script editor. Paste your sample code into the Pine Editor. This code defines how your custom currency index is calculated and displayed. Once the code is in place, click Add to Chart. The script will compile, and your custom index will appear as a new plot or indicator on the chart. Finally, click Save. This stores your script in your Tradingview account so you can reuse or edit it later without pasting the code again. That's all you need for both methods. The Compare method gives you a visual currency index by overlaying related Forex pairs and aligning them on a percentage scale. The Pine script method gives you a custom currency index that runs as its own indicator, following the logic in your code. If you only need a quick visual check, use Compare. If you want a consistent, reusable index with your own calculation, use the Pine Editor method you just set up. Your currency index in Tradingview is now complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.